Welcome to Sabang Boulevard, Puerto Galera, Oriental, Mindoro. To try?
You think about it, see.
Red good. A little bit ng hot sauce. Ready for you. There's a steakhouse here. Says they have piggy pop band every Wednesday, sourdough every Saturday, rye bread. Okay, here at Daddy. Hindi pala siya na-record. Eto na. Ito po yung Adam, can you get this? I can taste the mango. But not sweet because you didn't ask for it. But it's alright. There's a Seattle best coffee here. I don't know. It's American. We don't. Welcome to the Blue Water Dive Resort. Oh, they have ano court in here. Ah, yeah. I remember before there's a way to go there. Ay, before this is the port. This is where they drop us. I'm right? Am I right? Oh. Now, no more bank boat going from Batangas Port and Sabang. Between Batangas Port and Sabang. Before the port is here. So that's the difference now. 10 years ago. Today, look, it's clean. You can swim na. Ay, look, there's a starfish over there. Blue starfish. Look. I don't know if you can see it from here. So last night, it is, low tide. Now it's alright. Can we go down there? I want to go down there. Say I can swim here as long as there's a water. In the morning, it's high tide. It's a bit deep. So I'm gonna return now. The time, what time check now? I think I don't know what time is it right. So this is the perfect time to go down there, but the rock is a bit sharp. I need to wear a slipper or a shoes, beach shoes. And I can see there's a lot of blue starfish, plenty of that. So tomorrow I will return. I'm not ready today. I didn't expect this. Let's go and look around na lang. Before this is a port from Batangas Port to Sabang, but now they don't allow that. There's no, but they're still doing it, but expensive. So look, oh look, there's a lot of fish. Oh look, there's a tiny fish over there. Wow, very nice. I dip my feet here. Let's see if the fish gonna eat my dead skin. I'm a bit frightened. Let's see, they don't don't come close to my feet. Ang daming looks like from far it looks like it's not deep. Looks like shallow, but it's bit deep. I think I'm gonna be drowning here. Nice, no? Ganda. Maganda na. There's, before I remember, this is full of seaweeds and dirty, and the color of the water is dark. But now it's alright. Yan, ganda. Ayun yung So, ayan yung water there. Ayan. ponderos. Oh, nice here. Ng pating. See? Oh, I think the sunset is over there, so it's nice for the sunset here. Where's Duncan? Yeah, look. We dip our feet in the water with a lot of fish. Oh, look at that fish. Oh. So nice. Get a private boat. Oh, let's go to that very end. Later. Wow! Ang sarap maglangoy. Ay, look! Look here. Very nice. But it's deep. I cannot swim. There's more fish here. A bit bigger than the other one. Maybe there are a group of babies there. They are infants, and this is the...
You jump in, how do you get out?
I'm not gonna jump. I don't know how to swim. No, why I'm gonna jump?
Alright then. How do you propose getting in and out?
I'm gonna ask for help. I think
What,
this one, oh,
Screen?
that one there, you see this one, that one there with the handle there.
Tying a boat onto it, dear.
Yeah, you can
Fucking
hold.
ladder.
Yeah, you can hold on it.
Yeah, and
So
then
you are
what?
not gonna drown.
What, how are you gonna
I don't know.
Pull
I
yourself
didn't
up?
try it yet. You want me
Well,
to
you
try?
need to think about these things.
Wildon's favorite, shawarma. Regular is 55. Buy one, take one for 100. Yan, chicken. Chicken shawarma. Habang nire-ready ko yung pera ko. It's 55, no? Yan.
Ano pong gulay nito?
Etong repolyo at saka sibuyas lang.
Spicy po ba natin?
Ha?
Spicy po?
Spicy you like? No. Yes? Spicy. Huwag mo na lagyan nito. Don't put any dressing, ha?
Wala na pong sauce?
Walang sauce. But hot sauce, you like?
Okay, well, you eat hot sauce, don't you?
A little bit ng hot sauce lang. Ayan. Ayan.
You hold that,
Take pa.
I'll do
I paid already.
Oh, okay.
So, huh? You go first. Because when I died, I know. I like the hot sauce. It's not very hot. Perfect. He like it, oh. He like it. He like it. Oh, he like shawarma. There's more food in here. Ate, magkano yung mais?
50.
Ito rin?
Ako.
Anong masarap? Yung puti o yung dilaw?
Anong gadang gusto niyo?
Ah.
Parehas naman masarap, matamis.
Pero gusto ko itong puti. Namimiss ko na to.
Yeah, matamis yan, madam.
Okay. 30 pesos daw itong kulay puting this white corn. Okay, let's show you. So here, oh, low tide na here. Unlike to the other side. Recreational diving, oh. It is 5 p.m. now. 5 p.m. so they're still this is the look of it when it's not busy. Still early. They're still closed. Okay. So So we are reminiscing our step to 11 years ago. That's my first time I came here in Sabang. This is my second time here. So Duncan showed me this place. Look. So now we're here. Oh, there's a Rocky there, no? Look. Okay. Oh. Hmm. That's the bikini bar over there. So there is no entrance from here. So we use at the back. Dancing, ano what you call this? Mega Dance Center. Puerto Galera.
Something on that.
So there is a food mart here. Look. There we go. We're going down. Looks dead, no? Shells. Oh, look at that. And shirts of Puerto Galera. This is where I have a picture before. They call it a barrel. This is what you call before a barrel bar. Now it's gone. It's become a diving site now. As you can see here. Look. Oh, there's a diver there. Oh. I snorkeling. You see the starfish? There's a lot of that here. It's very nice, this corn. Yummy, yummy. So we're not gonna walk along there anymore. It's getting dark. That's the end of this side. Yeah. Reminiscing. To go ferry here. Crossing. I don't know where they go. Yeah. Before I didn't notice that only American or white people. Ang ganda ng view niya. Ang ganda ng view niya.